Okay, Suzuki Swift with a p0707 fault code, transmission range sensor. So I believe it's the transmission range sensor circuit fault for the Suzuki Swift p0707. Okay, this is what you were looking at. If you look in the engine bay and you look straight down on top of your transmission, you should see this guy plugged in, and there's in the center here you'll see a lever with your shifter cable coming onto it. So when it says transmission range sensor, don't think about distance or anything like that. It's actually the range of what gear is selected. Okay, so this is what reads whether it's in park, neutral, reverse, so on and so forth. Okay, so if you don't see it on your Suzuki Swift straight down on top of the transmission, just look to where your shifter cable is, and you should see it. That comes up through the center there, and you just need to unbolt it, take the little lever off, and then take these bolts out, okay, and then pull this off. It can be quite tight, so you can see here there's another nut goes on here which I've taken off, so I can spread these a little bit just to make it a bit easier to get it off. Okay, but that is the part you need to replace for your transmission range sensor p0707 in your Suzuki Swift. So when you put it back in, you can see there's a bit of adjustment here. So you just try and put it back basically in the same place, and then you're just going to check on your dash as you select each gear that your dashboard is also showing the right gear, and you can also check with the scan tool that it is reading the right gear selections at the right time. Okay, so here's a look at the transmission. So you can see our range sensor here on top of the transmission. This is the lever. This is where the shifter cable connects to. So you need to undo this nut, take that lever off, undo the two bolts, and then you can pull the whole sensor up, and that little nut under there that you can see, well, bigger nut than that one, but that is the nut I undid to be able to pry that centerpiece apart a bit, just to try and loosen it up a bit. It is quite tight on that shaft, but it will lift off. Okay, so that is p0707 for a Suzuki Swift. Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves, and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.